Production Planner uses the search feature to review different manufacturing objects page. To see the list of pages for the search space, open the More drop-down. Select the Purchase Orders page. In the search field, enter TG10 and press Enter. Choose Display as Table. The results are displayed accordingly. So, purchase order number and supplier, payment terms, purchasing group, Incoterms, purchasing organization. If you want to see more, show more. You can use sort functionality to sort out the results. Choose filter. The results can be filtered based on the chosen selections. You have successfully reviewed results based on the searched different manufacturing object pages.